So we can do, there's various strategies we can do. Again, the main strategy is just keeping track of times and divide. Times on top, divide on bottom. So let's see here. We could do a few things here. I'm going to just take that negative and use that negative dividing and divide a fraction, and I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. So I'm just going to do the reciprocal. So that's my first step. B to the power 0 is just 1, and that's all to the power of -2. So I use that negative power to flip the fraction. Okay, so instead of dividing by this fraction, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. Okay, so what are some things I can do here? Well, I can apply this negative power onto here. I can do the power rule. So I'm going to do the top first. So 4 times 2 is 8. Divide 7 times, multiply 6 times means I have an extra divide by A. Times by B 3 times, divide by B once means I have an extra 2 multiplies on top. I'm going to apply that -2 here. And here I'm going to use the exponent rule. Power to power, I'm going to end up with -3 times -2, which is +6. Well, that makes sense because I have a divide. 2 divides really make a positive, or times. That 1 just stays the same. The last thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to put those 2 divides on top. Okay, so that's going to be 2 squared. I've got dealt with all my B's. My A's, I've got 1 divide, 6 divides. That means I have 7 divide by A's. And then this becomes 32 times B squared over A to the power 7. There's my final answer. So these last two definitely are much more challenging. There's lots of stuff going on here. But again, if we can simplify things into times on top, divide on bottom, just keep track of what is multiplication, what is division, and we're just counting that, we can simplify these very complicated looking problems. So go to this link. I want you to watch this video about negative exponents. Okay, if you want to, I don't know if you can scan that from the screen or not, but it's a YouTube link. Go to your notes and you can just touch on that link as well from the PDF file, and it'll take you directly there.